Hi everyone, this is William speaking. This video is the second video for today. I'm going to introduce you how to install the rear. This is the uneven style. You can see the survey. It's a 16 head here for 7.5 liter. Okay, first you should realize that there is an empty wall here. It is for improve the bell conveyor. Okay, so you should use this open mouth to find the direction for the bell conveyor. So the next step is for this hopper, you should put it up, and then for this tube is here. Okay, just 1 second. See that this small gear motors is in the middle of these two tubes, so that's for these hoppers. And you should realize that there is a number, here, and also this is the number 4. So each of the layers they have their numbers. The same idea. Should realize this is the 3, but when you hook it, it is using the second tube. The second tube, not the first one right now. And you should realize that this is the rear hopper. So just put it slowly. Don't mess up, don't punch it, okay? This is the two hopper. And then you should open or install. Check the downstairs. And then you can lock it again. So that's it. Still a number here. Just be careful. It is heavy, okay? And this is the last layer. Just pull it up. Stay the screw hole over there. Okay, that's it. We still have to hook. And then you can use this one. This is the spot panel. So this is the whole complete. Once again, in a quick way. Just be careful, it is high here. Okay.
喺個放口喎，等陣叉車過嚟又要執一次，放邊添？叉車喺呢度。
So once again, check the number. Every tie should be the same. Okay, and then you lose this one or install this one. 2, 3. And the last is also some detail thing is this is for holding the material. And also this one, it is using the correct handle. Sorry, my left hand is not that convenient. Forget it. So that's everything. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.